raring to go, aren't we, Peter?
Up the hill is Andiamo.
There we go, 8:30. So we're coming out of the city now then, out into the countryside, crossing the River Itch, a famous trout fishing river. Here we're not doing a catch and cook on this trip, isn't it? There's a few potholes that you've got to watch out for coming down on this. This is a byway, so it gets off-road vehicles on it. But actually it's not too bad, and it is dry. Oh, you alright guys? Want a coffee?
You look serious.
Well, I'll try and smile a bit more. Hello.
You come a long way?
Coming up, we haven't come a long way yet.
Oh, you're going a long way.
We're going along. Salisbury,
Nice.
Swindon,
Oh wow.
Reading,
Oh, are you?
Farnham.
That's a long way to get to Winchester.
No, especially as we've just come from there.
Oh, are you?
Deeply rutted. If you get this wrong, you'll be off. If you're not off before. Oh, at least it's not wet. I'm knackered. Well, we've just come up that enormous 15% chalky hill, but fortunately it was dry, and we've now turned off onto the Clarendon way, so we should be on that now to, well, perhaps Clarendon, or maybe Salisbury. Peter's disappeared. Well, we're lucky it's dry. This would be a nightmare in the wet. Peter's on my tail, pushing me along. Wonderful part of the countryside out here, beautiful. Oh yeah, I can see that one.
Yellow, yellow, green, yellow, green.
Pete's given me some colour profiles of the climb. There's that one going up in front of us, which is apparently a yellow climb. I'm not sure if it takes into consideration the road surface though, or the track surface. Or the headwind. Oh wow, this is a fabulous descent. Oh! Oh! Oh wow! Oh my goodness! Bit lovely, wasn't it?
Beautiful, beautiful.
Jump that tree! Just got onto the Monarch's way now. So I'm not really familiar with what the Monarch's Way, where that goes to and from. How are you finding it so far, Peter?
Lovely!
Oh! It doesn't get much better than lovely!
Is it take a shopping bike?
Yeah.
You know you enjoy it on a shopping bike.
Yeah. It's really nice going somewhere new, isn't it? You don't know where you're going.
We're going this way.
Oh, what a relief.
Yeah, you're quite right. It's where am I going to be staying tonight?
Yeah,
Who am I going to be seeing?
yeah.
I mean, that was one of the selling points of the jog.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, you knew where you're going to be, but you've never been there before.
I think we're heading over there, aren't we?
Let's go there.
Let's go into the horizon.
I tell you what, that's Beacon Hill, isn't it? There, those two masts.
Well, I think we're leaving the Monarch's Way now. We're just back onto a plain old Roman road now. And we're going to be heading into, my goodness, I think it could be Quidhampton.
Who?
Quidhampton.
Only got 198 miles to do.
My goodness, so
We've done 22 miles.
22 miles. That must be Salisbury coming up then in 3. It looks like we're going to go down that into that valley and then up that hill on the other side. Just got to get across the A3, which is the road from London down to the West Country, or one of them. Oh, nettles! Probably ticks everywhere. Just on the old Roman road here into Salisbury. It looks like it's heading to Old Sarum. Pretty old. Pretty old, yeah. In Old Sarum behind. We're on the Sarson's Trail now. Just had our lunch break.
Yeah, lunch break.
Lunch break. Whee. Off to Tilshead now. We've got about 20 miles to go. All feeling good so far. Lovely little carpet of blue flowers. Delightful. The river, lots of little meandering fingers of water going into the main flow. Yeah. The manor house. Yeah. Lovely bit of wall along there. Oh, it's the River Avon. Oh, lovely. Oh, there we are. Got 10 miles to go. That one, Salisbury Plain. Just heading to our first camping night at Tilshead. Probably about another 3 miles to go. Should be there in about 40 minutes.
They got the beer.
Have they?
They got the beer in.
Okay. Skylarks overhead. Bit of gravel going uphill into the wind.
Yeah. I know that takes us onto the road that goes
Yeah.
to Tilshead.
We don't do that, do we? Hello!